Hello everyone, welcome to Elite Expertise. I'm Dr. Sadamni Sinha, currently student with Elite Expertise. Elite Expertise is an online training platform for all the overseas pharmacists who wants to clear the KAPS exam so that they can practice in Australia legally. Today we have with us Sruthy. Hi Sruthy, welcome to Elite Expertise and congratulations on clearing your KAPS exam. How are you feeling?
Yeah, hi, thank you. First of all, thank you so much. I'm feeling great. I'm overwhelmed with the result. Yeah.
Please introduce yourself. Where are you from? What have you done?
Yeah, my name is Sruthy Vasudevan. I'm from Thrissur, Kerala. I completed my B.Pharm from Kottayam Medical College and my M.Pharm from Al Shifa College of Pharmacy, Perinthalmanna. After that, I worked as a safety associate trainee at IQVIA Kochi. Then I had to take a break in my career as I was on a maternity leave. Now I'm having a daughter of 1.5 years. Then when I started thinking about restarting my career, then I just searched for the options. Then I came to know about KAPS. So that is my journey of writing KAPS. Yeah.
So why did you choose Elite Expertise?
Like when I heard about KAPS, first I thought of I would just self-study and write. But by looking at the syllabus, I came to know that it is not possible because it is having such a vast syllabus. Then I just started to search about this platform which is providing coaching. And I heard about Elite Expertise from one of my friends who was a student of Elite Expertise, and he has cleared also. So then I contacted Rega, and that is how the moment I thought that this is right platform is that when I heard Arif sir's video on YouTube about that asthma respiratory system. Yeah, that is the moment I was sure that I should join Elite Expertise.
So how did you prepare for your KAPS?
Like nothing I did on my own. Like I just followed what sir and ma'am told. The thing is, I was up to date. Whatever sir and ma'am teach on that day, I would make sure that I completed on that day itself. I never keep something pending. Whatever assignment or work sir gave and whatever ma'am told, I just followed that. So that is my strategy. That was only my strategy.
So how much time did you take to clear your KAPS exam?
I joined Elite Expertise on November 25th, and I would say like 3 months. 3 months was it? Yeah.
So what did you like about Elite Expertise?
I would say like the content is so precise, and we don't have to look for any other things. Just blindly hearing the class and means reading the handout itself is more than enough. And I should say about the mock test, like when I was writing KAPS, I thought that I was doing the mock test only. Like many questions was from mock test, and altogether I didn't have a fear to write KAPS exam. I should say that was so easy just because of the coaching I received.
So what are the teaching strategies that you liked about Elite Expertise?
The thing I noticed is they would say about their day-to-day life experience they get from hospital. And whenever we get a question or we get a concept, they will say a real life experience so that we can connect with that and study. And also it is easier to remember also. So that is the one thing I noticed. And also if at all we are having a doubt, whatever time it may be, they will take time and they will clear the doubt. And also I should say in group also, if there is any student ask about anything in doubt, they will clear that and make sure everyone is understanding everything.
So which paper was easy for you, paper 1 or paper 2?
Paper 1 was very easy. Like I said, no, it was like mock test only. Paper 2, I got I just got 8 or 9 calculation. Compared to other student, I think I got less calculation, and that was also some kind of new questions only, but I was able to do it because I was thorough with the calculation ma'am taught. So I was able to do the calculation which I got in exam also. So I would say 2 paper was easy for me. Yeah.
So, according to you, what are the top 3 points that you think have really helped you in clearing your KAPS exam?
The first thing I would say, being punctual, like not keeping everything till the last month. I was prepared on every topic from the initial days itself. So there was no need of further sitting and study and revising everything. Then I was up to date on doing mocks also. Like I completed every mocks as per sir's sir told that we have to complete this many times the mocks. So I followed his instruction. And the other thing I would say, the keywords. Yeah, I used to prepare keywords, the important keywords, so that last minute revision was easier for me. Yeah, that would be the 3 things.
And do you have any suggestions for our future aspirants?
In between when I was studying, I just thought of, do I need to look for more content? But then also I stick to this. I didn't look for any other thing, and I'm really thinking that it was very good for me not to look for other contents and get confused, because this is far more than enough to clear KAPS, I would say. Just follow what ma'am and sir is telling and teaching. Just do the mocks and start studying from the first day itself. Like, it will be easy. When we keep everything for last, then we will not be thorough in the content also, or concept also. If you're thorough with the concept, then whatever the question comes, we can easily clear it, I think. So just follow sir and ma'am's instruction. That is the only point to take away.
Thank you so much, Sruthy, and all the very best for your future. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah, thank you so much.